Wagwan Famski. We're back with another banger, yeah. Tom. This is about to be day 15 or so. Although I've kind of been lacking on making videos because I've been focused on school. We're coming into exam season, and I've been grinding up my shorts. You know I love my shorts, which have been actually kind of popping off. But I mean, yeah, that's been pretty fun. But I mean, let's get back into trading here, really. Here, I mean, as you can see, I just have this chart pulled up right now of what I'm looking at. Oh, fuck, how did I do that? Okay, there we go. This was today, kind of. I got on. Was pretty meek day. Wasn't really looking at much on a higher time frame. Like we had all this shit going on, all the chop overnight. So then we came down at like 9, and then we came back up by the time that I came into it. So it's kind of just like, look here. Yeah, that's the right one. See, if we look at this support level, that's kind of what I was trading off of at 1140-ish. And as you can see here, I set this shit up pretty easily. Like I saw a range 1, 2, 3, 4th with a little swing rule. I was making 3 trades today. One of them got stopped out fucking easily. I mean, it was the right methodology, but I didn't take it at the right point in time necessarily. If you look here, price came down, and I was expecting a reaction off of like this level right here. Very faint blue. There's been a lot of algorithmic orders, which is like all this shit you see here that never actually gets touched, and it's just meant to manipulate other shit in the market. These orders never actually go through, but they fucking throw off all of Bookmap. So that happened, and then I saw this reaction, so I bought there. Realistically, I shouldn't have even bought there. If I didn't grab it here, I just shouldn't have grabbed that at all. Would have gotten stopped out if I bought it here as well, though. Don't get me wrong. Get stopped out. Price comes down here. I'm not seeing any levels of reaction, so whatever. I just wait, get completely off of it, pay attention more. Then, about around here, I'm seeing, price is coming fast up. This is on the 1 minute, by the way. Price is coming fast back up to this top. So I see it hit here. And like come into this shit right here. Have a reaction up here briefly, and then come back down. And you can see like we're hitting shit like 34. What do you call it? 34. Yeah, this is buys. Yeah, 34. Only 34 buys were happening at this level according to this. So I'm like, all right, that's a pretty clear taper. So we're gonna buy or we're gonna sell here. And I just had my stop loss up here on this hard yellow one. Brought it down to here when price came down to break even. As price was coming down here. And then I could have just had my typical 3RR, but I decided actually I'm going to aim for the range opening, which was like, I was considering that. Because we got a lower high here, I was actually considering the fact that price was probably going to go down lower than this, down to here. So I was taking I was targeting down here. Didn't work. I saw that getting validated by this huge wick right here. Price came out. I got out about 1 RR. So it's kind of like nullified this loss over here. Then this play over here, again, saw the wick, saw we tapped into it. Again, 43 sells at this level, but like no buys are pushing up to that sell level. So it's like, fuck. All right, I'm going to sell here, and then, again, I move down my stop loss to break even here. That's what that shows. And that was just pretty simply, again, I was targeting like this low down here, right here. And that was about a, what? Bars, what the fuck? 6.25. All right, yeah, that was a 6.25, which is, what, $325? Something like that? Ooh, it's a bit late. That's why I'm like this. So, yeah, I netted like $300 on the day. Pretty calm day. Honestly, would have loved to get a few more trades in, but I was busy with school and like going to the gym. Dude, I have like an exam on Friday I haven't started studying for at all. So, I mean, just needs to be a short little video because I got plenty of shit that I got to keep doing, making more shorts and the likes of that. But, I mean, this is just like a beautiful little example of when the strategy really comes into play. When there's a nice clean range like this and you can capitalize on these moments. Boom, boom. In this, I'm not even mad that I didn't get the rest of this because this is the end of the range. It broke out. I'm not trying to trade breakouts. The only thing I'm a little peeved about is this here when I set my take profit pretty greedily. But I got out early anyway, so not even upset about that. I could have traded later on in the day, but I didn't. Not really any good ranges necessarily. I mean, there was like this. Boom. This is kind of a range, a slightly descending range. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, that could have been something. You know, but I mean, who's to say, like, that's just in hindsight. Who's to say I wouldn't have traded there, or, you know, traded here. Again, not really what I'm looking for. I like things that are more stable like this. Look at these tops. Peak, 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 peak. Very stable, very easy to understand. And yeah, super nice. So, I mean, that was the form for today. Pretty calm stuff. But, I mean, yeah, that's just about that. I think I was actually... When was this? I was looking at this. I'm trying to figure out when the hell I was looking at this. That must have been, like, earlier, like, here or so. Because, yeah, I was expecting price to kind of, like, follow this range, and it did. Yeah, damn, like, I actually predicted this, like, I predicted this at, like, 1:30 before I went to the gym. Damn. Fucking good job. Oh, no, I predicted it here at 2 when I saw this, yeah. Okay, never mind. Yeah, that makes sense. But, I mean, yeah, pretty simple day. That's all I did today. Pretty just simple, here. Show you that I did take profit. Here, you know, showing all this shit. Pretty simple day. Aiming to do this tomorrow again as well. Right now we're 300 in profit for the week. Every week just aiming for 500 profit. I mean, it's Tuesday, so it's pretty calm. Actually, yesterday I lost money. Ooh, yeah, I think we're only like 100 in profit for the week right now. Anyways, we'll get back into it, though. As I get this shit under my pulse a bit more, it'll be all better. And, I mean, that's all I really have to say. It's pretty late. I got to get going. I'll get this uploaded, though. And, yeah, thanks for watching. Check out the shorts. Check out the Instagram Reels. And, deuces.